Hello and welcome to Almost Fast Racing. Today we're going to replace the floor pans in my 1971 MGB. It's a barn find, got it for free, and it took minimal effort to get it running and driving well enough to enjoy it a bunch and even take it autocrossing a bit. But the floors look like Swiss cheese, so we're going to remedy that. We got the seat of this thing. These little holes here, not that one, this one, are where the seats mount. So you can see the whole floor just kind of moves. And then right over here, kind of very easily move the whole floor. I'm not sure you can kind of, that's not good. Over here, definitely need to make a patch panel. And it goes all the way up into that corner. So that's gonna be fun with my lack of welding skills. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, there's so many holes in my car. And the chisel, so you find a spot weld that doesn't break. Grab this guy, sand it down until it's... All right, so we finally got the floors all cut out, all the rusted spots. There we go. Nice and coated. All right, both floor pans fit in pretty nicely. We'll still have to kind of chisel out the sound deadening and then create a patch for that hole there. All right, so instead of drilling 80,000 bajillion holes, had some extra counterweight added and then ground down along the frame in a bunch of spots. So we're just gonna go through and weld those. All right, so we've got the yin and yang of our floor patching here. We've got the one side that we pre-drilled and kind of spot welded similar-ish to factory. And then we've got the other side where we just put the pan in and kind of spot welded along the sides, or tack welded along the sides and from underneath along the frame. I'm pretty excited. But I think for right now, what we should do is we should do a chassis rigidity test. So we'll do that in a second. All right, so we're gonna do a chassis rigidity test just to make sure everything works okay. All right, so we've got the two different brands of seam sealer, and this is the first one I did. It's a little bit stickier, but covers all the holes. And then on this side, I did a much nicer job. It also helped, there was a lot less. There we go. Two exactly, almost nearly identical. I'm gonna go along this upper edge where that's gonna be. Try not to inhale too much of it, but before we can get it in place. Hopefully. All right, there we go. We have successfully modernized and futurized our MGB interior. I'm gonna go outside for a little bit and get some fresh air. But that is so nice. Wow. We can put... There we go. We'll finish up getting the seats in, and then I can finally enjoy the car. If you're looking for like a longer version with a lot more depth and detail on how I went through and kind of like the little struggles, there's also an hour-long version of this same video on the channel as well. Thanks for watching.